Hey guys, what's going on? So I've never really seen anybody ever make a video like this before, like any kind of condition kind of video on the Bowflex or any review of how the Bowflex gets treated after 20 years. So I'm gonna be making that video first. If you guys have any more video ideas, please tell me in the comments below. Please subscribe and turn on post notifications while you're at it. So let's go ahead and get into the condition of the Bowflex. This is a fair condition. It's normal tear, normal wear and tear. The most common area is when you fold this main piece up right here, this little main bar, fold it up, you get scratches and dents in the freaking seat. Just watch out for those screws. They're really sharp, I guess. So another common area is these cracks and stuff. You can see there's cracks all in it. So this is all along the top piece. And we go up here, there's like a few cracks. It's starting to crack on the top piece, but I just started using the top piece again. So most people probably do pull-ups on this thing and they don't read this label down here. It says do not hang from bar. Well, of course I was stupid and I did that, and I ended up falling and the bar hitting my head. So yeah, this thing bent a few times and I had to bend it back in. So your Bowflex rods, you do get a lot of wear out of them. You can see there's like some scratches and stuff right here, which is because when you start realigning the Bowflex from factory, I don't know if this came the way it is from factory, if you had to actually assemble it yourself, but this seat right here, you'll start hitting it, stuff like that, so watch out for that. I do recommend every 5 years to replace all these bars, because these bars do get worn out. You can see this one's just bending and it's supposed to be straight up, but I lost the freaking strap to it, so it's gonna be like that. So another area is, I don't know if this was just mine, but I've seen some people's like this, but you can see it's peeling up and everything like that. So yeah, I'm not gonna end up buying another piece of that. There's no point in doing that. But you can see this is starting to tear off. This already tore off. That was already like that when I got it. These hinges right here will tear up. You have to watch them. They will bend if you use them the wrong way. I see a lot of people, they're too lazy to take the seat off and they end up bending it. And you can see how this one is like that with the seat, and that one's, there's a slightly crack on the other side and there ain't on this. This is just because Bowflex used a cheap ass freaking screw. The only thing they cheaped out on was this, but you can see, you know, it'll do this and you start putting pressure on it. The screw, I don't know why they did this, but you can see it's starting to come out from the side there, and it makes it really uneven. It makes it hard to work out, actually. Now, normally, you will have to tighten up all your screws and everything like that. That's just normal for Bowflex. If you guys are watching to this point to the video, please subscribe and turn on post notifications. Also, a fair warning, my camera will start jittering. There is a reason for that. My gimbal actually broke and I don't have a gimbal anymore, so I have to use the actual stabilizing in the phone. I guess it's the new update that's doing this. I don't know, maybe it's just my camera on my phone. I'm not sure. So another common little area is these straps right here. You'll see how they start breaking on each side and it starts cracking and stuff. See, on this side, it's even worse on this side, I think. Kind of slightly, but yeah, and these rollers right here, these wheels, I've not had any problems with them. I've heard people saying they have problems with them, but I mean, those are like professional bodybuilders who have problems. I don't use this like all the time like a professional bodybuilder. So the wheels, I don't know if you can see the wheels, but those are supposed to be black plastic right there. They're actually like metal. The wheel has been broken. That is a very important piece if you're doing legs. Let's go ahead and get into the things that get loose and unbolted after a while. So this top piece right here, it'll start moving back and forth if you don't tighten it up. See down here, you have to tighten up these brackets and stuff because they will get a little loose after a while. Now this is after like a year. I'm talking about like a year of tightening it up. I mean, if you don't tighten it up every year, it's gonna get bad, but especially this part, if you do use this for legs, it's gonna be pretty bad. So yeah, and the seat right here, this is the worst part, is the seat, because it's on a single freaking frame and the bolts are probably stretching out the metal. I don't know, it might be doing that, might not, I don't know. And let me tell you why these things keep bending, because they used one bar for the seat to be on. So basically these bolts are like going up and down and they're bending the metal back and forth and they're wearing out the metal. And then this seat right here, these things right here are basically the supports of how this thing does that. Pretty much the freaking metal hinges are the reason why it's not bending up more, and you know. Also, I'm not sure if there's supposed to be something right here, if you guys could tell me, but I put a flathead screwdriver through here and it works fine. I mean, I'm not sure what was supposed to be here when you first get it, but mine never came with anything. So yeah, pretty much that's about all I have to say for today's video. If you guys have any video ideas, tell me in the comments below and I'll be sure to make it. I'll be making a chest video pretty soon because I had somebody make a recommendation on that. So yeah, here you go. And I might be giving out shout outs pretty soon. So yeah, have a great day. Peace.